And good day, creators. How are you guys doing today? Well, today I'm going to be doing something really weird. As you can see I believe in the beginning pictures that I had a few cups that had some really dark liquid in it. First pour, woo! So basically, I'm just playing around. Yeah, I'm just playing around, guys. All I have here is a mat or a dish, and I just poured a little bit of water on the bottom. Everyday paper. I do have this 3-ply, and so what I'm going to do is just press this here, give it a little bit of wet, plain old water. Remember, guys, I have no clue what I'm doing. I've never actually done a real pour. So we're just going to pour out my husband's coffee that's been sitting at his desk for a week old. We're going to go ahead and do the milky chocolate. I don't know if anybody can see that. It's going to be milky chocolate. It was much better in the pictures. And I am just going to look at those chunks. Remember, no techniques, no idea what I'm doing. That's what we're getting. Okay. Next one is this one. Look at those goops and gops and all of that. I think I'm going to actually stir that one before I pour it. So if you can actually see that, probably can't because, well, it's pretty dark in here. It's actually almost the correct consistency I see on the videos. So I should have poured this one first as the whole base and then did the lighter colors. I don't know what I'm doing. And you're probably asking, is she going to let this dry? The answer, yes. I know, right? Weird. We have a super dark one. This one here had a few flakes of white. So we'll go ahead and just play around with dots. Oh, I know what to do. So I found these. Well, you get them when you buy shavers. And, well, if anybody knows Old Bob, you know we don't need these. Hee hee hee. So I've kept them. This one here is a number 8. It is a 25mm blade, and it looks like it says 1 inch. I'm just going to go ahead and play with this. As you can see, it's starting to spill over into the real sides now. I would have most likely done less water in the real water. Get some of this darkness. I wanted the darkness. I guess what it is my table's not even. So that's why we're seeing a lot of the pullage here, if you can see that. So what I'm going to do is just pick it up a little bit. And that's probably all the liquid I'm going to use for this, because as you can see, it's not really doing what I want. Well, I didn't know what I wanted. But I really do wish I had more of the dark. Alright guys, that was technically my first pour. Not a coffee. Technically. Well, I hope you guys at least got a laugh. I really do. I'm actually going to let this dry and see what happens. And I'll show you guys later in the next clips. You have a great day. And I'll most likely try to bring this up closer and do it all. You guys have a great day. Remember, happy crafting!